Researchers are constantly making advancements in medical technology. There are things that we know today that we had no knowledge of just a few years ago.
The science of genetics studies what's passed down from parents to their children, and sometimes that can give you insight into what your health future holds. For our own Stephanie Sharp, this is a personal topic she knows all too well.
This is really strange for me because I'm used to telling other people's stories with the hopes of helping another, but this is something I think can be very informative to someone else. Like so many families, my family has been hit hard by cancer. That's the reason I made the decision, along with my doctors, to test my DNA to see what risk is later in my life. For me, it's important to know as I plan for my future.
Even before I was born, cancer has played a large part in my family. My maternal grandma was diagnosed with breast cancer in her 30s. After a long, hard-fought battle for many years, she passed away at the age of 56. Even after that, aunts, uncles, even my dad have been diagnosed with different types of cancers. I've always wondered what the future held for me. According to the American Cancer Society, 5 to 10% of all cancers are thought to be related to gene mutations that are inherited or passed down through your family. My doctor suggested to me, with a blood draw, researchers could look at my genetic DNA makeup. It came back I don't have any gene mutations in the genes they tested, but I do have a high risk of developing breast cancer over my lifetime.
What's the long-term outlook, all those sort of things.
Brad Schaefer isn't my doctor, but is a professor of genetics at UAMS. He says genetic testing has come far within the last few years.
The things that we can do for families with this information, number one, of course, is tell them why. Number two, we can tell them what it means for the family.
He says with this information, families can work with health professionals on early screening, detection, and getting answers.
I always think that it's really important to consider how knowing those results will affect you.
UAMS genetic counselor Mindy Simonson says the information can be powerful if you want it.
I really want my families to understand what kind of information they're going to get, what impact that might have on them and their children, their siblings, their other members of their family.
In a family, every piece fits, just like a strand of DNA. Questions being answered with a draw of blood. In Little Rock, I'm Stephanie Sharp.
And Simonson stresses that genetic testing won't answer all the questions and the technology is still somewhat limited. If you're interested in learning more about genetic DNA testing, talk to your doctor.